Oh my God.
Want to scoot in so I can do that?
No.
Alright.
Okay. There is a second H2R that showed up. It is honestly pretty clapped. What's up, guys? It's Stickers, back with another video. As you can see, we got us a H2 and a V4 in front of us, but not just any H2 and V4, an H2R and a V4R. We are here on our way to gasoline and caffeine, which is I think like one more light. I think it's on the other side of this Arco. They are having a tour drive. It's a great event. We were here not that long ago. It was actually quite a while ago. It was a good while ago the last time we were here, but it's an amazing event. We're gonna walk around, see some of it. Ooh, look at that. To start off with an SV, R8, CDEs. Was that a Mercy? A crazy Mercy? It looks good. Looks like a decent event. What's happening? Hey, yo. Hello.
Aprilia.
Thank you, thank you.
Bro,
what?
Behind you guys is the worst.
Oh my God, that's what.
So many wrongs, bro.
The reason I got it funny because I thought that cop was gonna try to chase us, and I was like, I don't gotta play, or you don't. I do. I was like, I gotta go.
But I got.
I'm selling mine. I'm selling it next week. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. So my Alpine Star came today. But like I said, I don't wear this one. I'm only wearing it because I'm getting rid of it. Huh?
I want a Pista.
If you want a match, I'm selling this one for 16.
Who do you think my hair?
Oh, yeah.
I need an extra small.
Oof.
But like small and medium have the same padding.
I'm gonna set this here because I'm gonna put mine right there, but leaned up against the curb. Huh? What do you mean? I didn't want it to be right here where you can't get in. What, are you gonna pull your bike right here?
No, I think I'm too long.
I just can't go at this angle with this car.
He doesn't need to get in this car. He can stay.
What's happening? How you doing? Pretty good, pretty good.
Brennan,
Yeah, he picked up. He picked it up. I was there. How you doing? Yeah, mine came in today.
You got one?
My Alpine Star, yeah.
Why'd you get one?
I don't know. No. I did it to make a video to review, and then I'll probably sit on the wall after that.
Which one did you get? The same one?
No, I have the one that says Alpine Star in writing, the white words. Yeah. Yeah, so I have that one.
You guys were riding earlier or no?
No, just to hear.
Just to hear?
Yeah.
How far was the ride?
Well, if that, I don't even think so. We were mobbing.
Yeah, he moved to Orange County, bro. I know, he went to Irvine.
I met you guys before. What was your name again? Joel Shaheen. I think I met you at the Molly Motorsports. I think you met my brother. You met one of us. You guys look familiar.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you do look very much alike.
Yeah.
What the hell?
What do you ride again?
The lower stretches from
Really
it's over there.
there you go.
Yeah,
You guys were. Yeah.
I know that's messing something. They feel really good. Hey, I'll have them. It's okay. You can lose them. They're mine now.
Dude,
You can give those to me for free. I would.
I lost my other clothes. I had to put these on. It's so comfy. It's a Ducati. I went through my bag.
Oh, shit, that's an actual Ducati?
Yeah, actual Ducati.
That's actually cool though.
You could give these to me for free, and I wouldn't wear them.
Why?
I hate gloves. It's my least favorite piece.
Dude,
of
no. So I like the shorty ones. I need to get those.
I have gauntlets, but they're MX gauntlets. Want to scoot in so I can do that?
No.
All right.
Okay.
Sport shifter's good now? Or your
Yeah.
booster cylinder's good?
Yeah, so I got a break. I got to use it doing the wheelie, so I was like, okay, it's there, yeah. It's all good. Which, I think with the rear are working better, the front engages better. So I think there was something like...
Maybe the system just had to be blood.
Yeah, completely.
Still sitting in the garage.
Yeah.
And when we got it, remember, we literally just, you bought it without even being...
Yeah, so you never even looked over it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I could have had air in the system or something.
Most likely what it is.
Yeah. But yeah, no, it's all good now. Yeah, I was,
Wheelie?
huh?
You did a wheelie?
Did a little one. Was it actually turned off wheelie control finally again? Like when I didn't have a rear brake, I never turned it off. I was scared to.
Yeah.
Just in case if I need to hit it. This is a crazy Aventador. All the aftermarket carbon. The blue frame. Oh, it has Olin's? That's cool. The body kit is dope. The lower side skirt looks insane. Carbon mirrors, front lip. Ooh, twin turbos. Huracan, I wonder what this thing pushes. Wonder if it's gapping me or not. Probably. DDE gated manual Mercy. That interior is beautiful. Look at that blue interior gated manual. I think this is twin turbo too. Kevlar lined fenders. What else? Anything else over here? Ooh, little Aston Martin. Oh, got some old school. 6.0 V12. I wonder if it's twin turboed. That's cool. That he has a oh no, it's a Ford GT. I thought it was the same car as a Hot Wheel. Olaf.
The whole gang is here.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even recognize
Yeah.
you. Hi.
Hello again.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How about you?
Good. I didn't realize you're a motorcycle rider too.
Yeah.
Bike rider.
Yeah. Well,
All my friends are bike.
No way. Oh my god.
except the other one.
Except the one.
Except the one other person that was there.
Oh.
He's my college homie. We're trying to convert him. He's still a little gay.
Which one's your bike?
The pink one.
Oh, how cute. I like that. That's cool. I don't mind the hot shoe. It's cool.
Huh?
No.
It's cute. It's cute.
Yeah.
Cute.
That's a sick bike.
It's different.
Yeah. How long have you guys been here? Did you guys like have you here?
Oh,
Yeah.
10 minutes maybe, if that.
Oh, nice.
Not
But
bad.
10?
It's
10?
5-10 minutes. I don't know.
I don't know.
Whatever.
Got the Porsche, some McLaren. Oh, that Ferrari wheel looks insane. Oh, that whole Ferrari body kit. I'm gonna have to go around to see that in a second. R8. Oh, hi, puppy. A beautiful Shelby F-150 Super Snake supercharged. This is badass. I want one. Has all the carbon. Ultimate Daily. Crazy color Lambo. I think that was here last time. Let's go look at this Ferrari. Ferrari with the crazy ass body kit. Rear diffuser. Yeah, those wheels are insane. Look at that, guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys like those wheels? Do you guys hate them? I think they're pretty dope. The carbon on it too. Looks like Ducati carbon. Ooh, Lamborghini SVJ. Let's go look at this Bugatti real quick. Blue carbon Bugatti.
Hey, it's exposed carbon too. It's blue carbon. We need it in the light. In the light, I bet it would look crazy. It probably look that Pininfarina, like that blue Pininfarina. No, it has the logo under Chiron on the cap, so it might be a sport. It might not be the pure sport. No, it's just a sport. It would say pure sport. Like the event literally just ended, and people are just pulling up like left.
Yeah. Is he gonna finally start it? Well, he's not gonna rev it, I don't think. Not yet. It's cold. It's been here for a while. She's starting it though. Oh my god. That sounded good on a startup, not even a rev. $325. Oh, he's on some Hoosiers. He's on a full slick. Nice little cool event. I guess we're going to be mobbing out of here with a couple of bikes. There is a second H2R that showed up. It is honestly pretty clapped. Definitely has some wildness done to it. I don't know why. He wrapped it in some crazy places, added some gold to a green and black and carbon bike. But hey, to each his own. But yeah, no, we're going to mob around a little bit. I'll catch you guys when we're actually pulling out of here. Oh, we'll keep it rolling. Ride safe! Let's make sure we're recording, because if anything stupid happens,